let's set the pressure switch for the system. The first thing you're going to want to do is get the system into calibration mode. So by hitting the enter button, it cycles through the different functions of the controller. So you've got battery, which tells you the health of the battery, the flow, which is the speed of the pump, and they're the two settings you've got. Now, if you hold the enter and the up, it puts it into calibration mode. So as you can see, it's you can cycle through the different calibration settings. If I go all the way down to the bottom, it will put it into auto calibration mode. But what I do is I just whack it all the way up to 99, hit enter, and then we're good. And now make sure that the flow rate is also up there high and stuff like that as well. Then I make sure that I've got the smallest nozzle that I'm realistically going to be using on this machine. So it's the shooter nozzle that we've got, and it's 3mm in diameter. So I make sure that that's set on there. I have the pump on and it's showing PS, which means that the pressure switch is activated. So I'm just going to open this up and show you what it looks like. So what's happening is the pump is building up pressure, and then the pressure switch is activated saying, I've already reached pressure, turn off the pump. And that is all the controller is reading. The controller is reading that the pressure switch is activated. So what's happening? I'm opening the trigger and the pressure switch is activating before I'm getting the full whack of the pump. So what I need to do is I need to adjust the pressure switch. I want the pressure switch to not be activated at such a low pressure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in there, tighten it up, and again. Okay, let's try that again. It's still turning off. So I need to put the pressure switch in a little bit more. Awesome. And that's how to set the pressure switch.